and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine.
Hi. So I forgot to say what this video is about. I just lost all of the footage, so we're gonna be doing it this way. So this video is about these jeans that I have for a while. I think I got them like probably Black Friday. The thing is, these jeans were 3 sizes bigger than me, but I still wanted them, so I got it. And then I took the jeans to Jamaica to get this size sewn in so it can fit me better. But over time, the holes in the jeans started opening up more, so I decided to just do something about it. Add some pearls, add some sparkles, stuff like that to make it look a little closer, a little cute, something different. So this is what the jeans look like on me. I can hardly stretch in them, but they're cute. And they do have a few holes in the pockets. So what I'm gonna do is just start adding some pearls right here. Hold on, let me see. So I have these pearls right here, as you can see. I was hoping that they would be a little browner, but I wasn't reading the description when I was ordering them. Focus. So what I'm gonna do is, is just figure out where I want to put the pearls. Like for example, right here. Focus. Then I'm just gonna sew it onto the jeans all the way down to here. If that makes any sense. I'm not sure, but let's get started. So what's needed for this video is just a needle and thread. What color to use? I think like the thread is not going to really be showing, so it doesn't matter. Just going to use this brown one. And I have my pearls. And I have this. I'm going to need the scissors to cut this, but let's get started. So right here, cut a little extra just in case. There's the needle and thread. Oh crap. So I'm about to start sewing. Hold on and push it back in. The only place that I'm going to be sewing is right here at the edge of the pants. I don't know how I'm going to hold the camera so you guys can see. Hold on. Where's the needle? Just over. Try not to poke myself. Over. Under. Crap. Yeah. Maybe it would be better if I just take off the pants and then sew it on. So I've already started sewing. Hold on. Flip the camera around. Right here. So I'm just going over it
while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. So underneath the first layer.
Set my heart afire.
Yeah. So I just finished my first. I didn't sew in the first pearl. This one. It's kind of messed up, but you guys get the idea. All I'm just doing is sewing it so that it stays on. I'm just gonna keep adding on pearls.
stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. Set my heart on fire.
So I didn't made a outro or ended the video in any way. I just ended the video. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comments, anything. See you next time. Bye.